I'm gonna start with sectioning my hair in two halves. I'm gonna do the bottom half at first, then move on to others. Using the flat iron, I'm curling the bottom ends inward. You need to hold the curl until it cools down so it doesn't lose its shape. You need to use a smaller sections to create a better results. Patience is most important to create this look. So this is my hair when it's done. As you can see, my half of the hair looks more curl and defined. I'm doing the same process on the other half, so I'll be fast forwarding the clips.
Stay awake, but you're obsessed with time. No clue what's at stake. In the final round of a lifelong game, so I step out of bounds. I don't want things to change.
After doing my hair, I'm moving on to my bangs. I'm doing the same process as before by curling the lower ends inwards. The process really looks doubtful at first, but you'll like it when it's done.
Don't take me now, I'm so damn close to learning how. I need your ghost.
I'm doing a last touch up on my hair to create a little volume on the bangs. So this is the final look.
Melody, just need to find my way. So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the word.
Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next. Stay safe and stay beautiful.
Ocean yesterday.